Lissy, you can see the technology and artworks of early Native Alaskans. Today, we visit the Native Alaska Center on Postcard from Alaska. Should we always expect to feel happy after doing a good deed? Wesley Feen offers insight on Author's Journal by Verbal Shelley. And Dick Brackett has the English Express. It was a victory of compassion over grief and love over loss. Today, we hear the love story of two widows on The God Who Makes Himself Known with Bill Young. He hit rock bottom with his addictions, and now he's written about it. Today, we meet Travis Jacobs on I Love Life with Jerry Damon. And Ian Taylor has Creation Moment.
And we'll play your favorite songs from the 80s, 90s, and today, along with today's profiles in Christian music with Dale Crow. A message from God's Word and much, much more.
This hour, you'll hear your favorites from Wiz Khalifa featuring Charlie Puth, Journey, Michael Bolton, Swedish House Mafia, and Vance Joy. Let's get started with the King Kings and Ron Clark.